We are at Buford Farmer Market. As per information, products of various countries are available over here, and thus it is slightly expensive market. All sorts of peppers can be seen over here. You can see all the different colors. These vegetables are mainly Korean, like baby reddish Korean baby napa, dokchi mimu, Korean red leaves. I guess this is the Korean counter. Kamal kakadi, right from China. The potato counter. You can see all sorts of potato, white potato, red potato, Idaho potatoes, and then small red potatoes, and small white potatoes, and then purple potatoes, fingerling potatoes. All sorts of potatoes are available here in this market.
So it's fun to know that at least people from Madhya Pradesh and especially around Jabalpur and the area would know this. Wheat grass here 4.49 per dollar per box, and the box is almost like a small box like this, and this is costing you some 500 rupees, and इसका नाम है हिंदी में जवारे. तो हम लोग जवारे उगाते हैं पूजा के लिए जब खेती के समय में होती है. तो इंटरेस्टिंग है ये बात. You are enjoying this Buford Farmers Market? You?
Yes.
Okay. बेकरी में ये लोग undoubtedly बहुत ही अच्छा करते हैं. Somewhat nearing to Europeans. I don't know because they are basically European people, तो वही culture वही चीज़ें लेके आए होंगे. बेकरी बहुत ही excellent होती है, बहुत ही innovative चीज़ें हैं, हमारे लिए थोड़ी uncommon हैं.
All these labels are of different types of cheese available. Mozzarella, yellow cheese, Twistella, Panella, Frescola, white American cheese. This is Ford cheese, and these are different types of cheese. In India also we have big supermarkets, but here the size is just huge. On the top you can see what they are giving over here, like beer, juice. Soham is busy sleeping, and these people are talking about yogurt.
अलग-अलग फ्लेवर के है ना.
These are all types of yogurts. Now this counter is of different types of juices. Here you will have to check whether it is organic juice or purely artificial juice. In the back of the content you can see there are some juices which says that they have less than 1% of juice, so that they are artificial ones. So we are here at different wines and alcohol section, and here you can see are some interesting names like Corona and Corona Light, Extra, Premier, Familiar. But I'm sure people are so fed up with Corona, nobody is interested in them. Another interesting name is Emergency Drinking Beer. There are various interesting names over here, and this is the whole lot for people who are interested. I am surely not interested. These are the different kind of milk, right? Red one is whole milk, the blue one is low fat milk, then there's pink one, then there's one was organic milk, this is reduced fat milk, the dark blue one. Here the rates may differ from shop to shop, although the product remains the same. So people generally get the information first where it is available at lesser rates and generally buy from there. Powder is available in such big canes over here because the consumption is like that. Peanut petals, different kinds of masalas. This counter, and here you can see our different kinds of chilies, dried chilies. Now we are at Eastern European section, and there you can see is American and Western Europe section is coming next. Later will be Japanese and Korean section. Now next will be Japanese section, Thai, Indonesian section, Chinese, and here is Japanese, Korean section. If I go to Chinese section, I will get Chinese noodles, wraps, candies, jellies, everything over here. So let me check the Chinese section. This is all Chinese stuff. Mostly the Chinese section consists of rice noodles, different types of noodles. Like here you can see is the egg noodles, dried noodles, egg noodles.
Why?
Here Vikas is advertising for YY. This is Philippines, and now we are going to the Indian section. Vikas is saying that he has worn kurta just to see the Indian section.
And the categories are cow butter and other parachute oil. I know this all.
This is chole chawal, kadhi chawal, dal chawal, everything is packed. Gits, Bombay biryani, all Indian stuff you can get over here. Famous poha. Nutella is over here also. Now all rice brands can be seen over here.
So we can see naan here, and it is in the Indian way. People might be buying it, and the best part is it is from the Bombay kitchens for $4, made in USA. All sorts of roti is there. It's all about roti, as we say. Roti ka sawal hai. And our visit to this different country, Buford Farmers Market, is over. We are moving forward for our other days, different plans, and we will see things. We are done with the car wash and visiting this market.
Being a Delite, I am fond of momos, but here I don't have many options for dumpling, as everything consists of shrimp, pork, chicken. And being a vegetarian, it is difficult for me, but if you are a non-vegetarian, you can get various options over here.
As this is a market for different countries' food, we can see one interesting thing is different countries' newspaper. It may be having some advertisements, that's where it is lying for free, but different languages are there. So Russian, American, Chinese, no, not American, Chinese and Russian I could see. Here, so newspaper. और चीज़ देखने वाली है डाइवर्सिटी. तो ये देखिए प्रिजर्व डक एग, बहुत ही तरीके के एग्स हैं जो कि बॉयल, सॉल्टेड एंड प्रिपेयर्ड रखे हैं, और इसको ले जाके सिर्फ हीट करके लोग कंज्यूम करेंगे. हम रेस्टोरेंट्स के लिए यहाँ हैं, बट डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ मीट की बहुत ज़्यादा बदबू आ रही है, एंड वी जस्ट वांट टू रश आउट ऑफ दिस प्लेस. But altogether it's a very rich, culturally diverse place, and we enjoyed coming here. हम अभी जापानीज़ आइल में हैं, और जापानीज़ आइल में हमें देखने मिल रहे हैं 2-3 चीज़ें जो उनके फूड के बारे में थोड़ा बताते हैं. कि जैसे कि यहाँ पे सिसमे ऑयल, हमारा जो तिल का तेल होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. वसाबी है, ये पैक्ड गोल्डन करी मिक्स है, तो जापानीज़ करी मिक्स है. तो ये जापानीज़ बे है. इसके बाद में कोरियन, जापानीज़, थोड़ा सा इन्होंने अच्छे से इसको अरेंज किया है. जापानीज़ कोरियन एक साथ है. इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल टुगेदर. एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ जो मैंने जापान में जाके देखी थी, तो शायद जापानीज़ प्रोडक्ट ही हैं कि किटकैट के डिफरेंट वर्जन्स आते हैं. तो किटकैट अलग अलग फ्रूट्स के फ्लेवर में आता है. तो जैसे ये पैशन फ्रूट जो मैं ओरिजिनली खा चुका हूँ, नरसिंहपुर के पास मैं एक विज़िट पे था, एक फादर से मिला था, फादर डेनी, अच्छे गुरु जैसे हैं, उनके पास मैंने खाया था. तो किटकैट के डिफरेंट वर्जन है. किटकैट का एक ये ग्रीन टी वर्जन भी आता है जो मैं लेके आया था जापान से. पाई वर्जन। सो हम लोग किटकैट को सिर्फ एक रेड किटकैट से ही जानते हैं, बट ये बहुत डिफरेंट किटकैट।
इंडोनेशिया ब्रूम फ्लैट like flat passion fruit
Peach.
chocolate